एमपीटीच्या कोळसो हाताळणीचेर गोंय सरकार ओगी कित्याक? केंद्रीय मंत्री नितीन गडकरी कोळसो हाताळणीचेर गोंयच्या जनतेकडेन कित्याक उलयना असो प्रश्न काँग्रेसीन केला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Coal handling expansion by MPT is being vociferously objected by the people of Goa, and most importantly by the people who are residing in Vasco and around Vasco. Now, why they are objecting? Pollution is the cause, health hazards is the cause, and these ill effects are being seen there. Now, in this backdrop, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has made some statements against coal expansion. But we wish to emphasize that his statements are most meaningless considering his legacy of U-turns, which in the past we have witnessed. Be it on the issue of special status to Goa, which was promised during the election and his volte-face thereafter, or be it on the issue of casinos, or on so many other issues. He is known for his U-turns. Therefore, what he speaks is most meaningless and is reduced as most meaningless because of his own legacy and of his own acts in the past and not so distant past.